Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. We're mostly going to be looking at Psytrance, but we'll tackle quite a few genres. Psytrance is my speciality. So yeah, I'm also known as Priest, as the YouTube says, Priest. So yeah, today we're just going to be looking at the rolling bass lines in Serum, the basics. So let's go. Nice little Serum. Let's just make sure our kick is 8th length. So as you can see, the kick is in F sharp. You want to use a kick that's in F sharp or in the key of the bass that you're going to be using. It's just easier for phase relationships. So let's dive into Serum. We'll draw in our 16th notes. Just go to I like to leave just a bit of breathing room. It adds to the gallop feel. Okay, let's dive back into Serum. Just loop this. Get some space. Okay. Just copying that over so we have a bar. So we'll dive in. So we'll start on the basic sine wave and add the filter. Take the rest down and always take random off. You want consistency. First envelope we can leave, and the second envelope we'll throw into the cutoff. I don't like it all the way because it gives a bit too much gritty that I don't like when I want a tight bass line. Sustain, we'll just leave it there for now, and then release down to 9.5. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. Just keep the decay a bit tighter. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the default wave to the basic shapes. Just use basic shapes and use this sine wave, saw wave. My apologies. It's way tighter. Okay, just going to change the phase quickly. Just want to hear which sounds better, top or bottom. Tighter. Just use this. Yeah, let's just use this. Okay, so that's the basic Psytrance rolling bass line. I'm just going to dive into the effects. You can do this in a normal EQ or ear. I just prefer doing it here. I just add a bit of high frequencies just to make it a bit more snappier, just to get that nice snappiness of it. Basic bassline. We can add a LFO tool just to add some sidechain. These are my basic settings for sidechain. I don't like it to gallop too much. I like that consistency. And then we just want to check our volume so we're matching. So our kick is at -9 and our bass is at -12. So we can just go into Serum again